Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we've got something that will surely tickle your nostalgia and elevate your typing experience: the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard. Let's kick things off by diving into the key specs of this retro-inspired keyboard. The 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard is a nod to the classics, compatible with Windows 10 and Android 9.0 or higher. What's exciting is that it offers not one, not two, but three connectivity options: Bluetooth, wireless 2.4G, and the good old wired connection. Now, let's talk about what's under those keys. This keyboard boasts an 87-key layout with Keilbox Switch V2 white switches and die sub PBT keycaps. That's right, folks. These switches are known for their tactile feedback and durability. But wait, there's more. The keyboard features a top mount style and a hot-swappable PCB, which means you can easily customize your typing experience by swapping out switches. Plus, it supports N-key rollover, ensuring your every keystroke is registered accurately. One standout feature of this keyboard is its dual super buttons. These large, programmable keys allow you to map anything to them instantly without the need for software. It's all about convenience. And here's a throwback to the classics: the classic power status LED with an independent control panel. It's a subtle touch that adds to the retro charm of this keyboard. Now, if you're someone who loves customization, you'll be thrilled to know that the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard supports the 8Bitdo Ultimate Software V2. You can create your custom keyboard mappings and tailor your typing experience to perfection. But it's not just about the specs, it's about the experience. This keyboard is packed with programmable keys and features an intuitive control panel that makes it a breeze to navigate. And don't you just love those iconic directional keys and programmable A and B keys? They harken back to the golden age of gaming while offering modern functionality. Whether you want to connect via Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, or go old school with a wired connection, the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard has got you covered. Now, a little background on 8Bitdo. They are a premier third-party video game hardware company known for their retro-themed game controllers. In fact, The Verge has referred to their controller line as a range of excellent retro-style game controllers. 8Bitdo's mission is clear: to produce premium-quality game controllers with ultra-compatibility at economical prices. That's a wrap on our review of the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard. If you're a fan of classic gaming vibes, and a keyboard that offers both quality and functionality, this might be your next must-have accessory. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.